Hi from the Chattanooga Zoo, and thank you for joining us today. I'm here with my friend Max, the eastern box turtle. Are you excited for our program today? We sure are. Let's go.
Hey guys, it's Marielle and Sandy again. We're gonna make this handprint flower. Sandy is a snake, a Kenyan sand boa, so he doesn't have any fingers or hands. But the way he uses his body to move is by squeezing all of the muscles that go along his body, kind of like a big ab workout his entire life as he moves along different surfaces. And he has an extra bumpy tail. That part of his body is really rough, and it kind of acts like a rudder because he lives in the desert, so he's moving through sand, which isn't always the easiest to get through. So he needs to be able to push himself forward to get through it, and his body muscles and his tail help him do that, just like our fingers help us pick up lots of things and move through our world. So for this craft, you'll need a piece of white paper, a piece of green paper, and then a piece of any color you like, maybe your favorite color. You'll also need some crayons, some scissors, and a glue stick or a glue bottle. So to start off, we're gonna take our green piece of paper, and we're gonna make a stem. So you can fold over just a small part of the short end of your paper. So try to make it as even as you can. But if it's not, that's okay, because stems move around a lot. So yours might just have some movement. Alright, so now you have a line that you can follow with your scissors. And you're just gonna cut along that line. Now you're going to take your glue stick and you're going to add some glue to your stem and put it down near the edge of your white paper in the middle. Now it's time to make the flower part. So you're going to take your favorite color piece of paper and one of your hands, place it down in the middle. Try to spread your fingers apart because these are going to be the petals of your flower. Then take one of your crayons and trace your hand. It's okay if these are not straight either because petals move around just like stems. Alright, you might have a little gap in the end of your hand drawing, so you can just connect that on your own. And then you're going to cut that part out so that you can glue it to the top. Alright, now that our handprint is cut out, I like to keep it on the side where I can still see the outline and add the glue there, because then when we flip it over, it'll be nice and clean. So I'm going to set it down and add glue. You want to get the glue on all the fingers too, so that it stays on the paper. Alright, so our flower is almost ready, but I think it needs some leaves. So we're gonna bring our green piece of paper back and take our crayon and draw some leaves. I think I'm gonna make two, one for each side. So I'm gonna draw an oval shape with some points at the end. And I'm gonna cut them out. Alright, so just like with my handprint, I'm going to keep the leaves on the side where I can see the outline and add the glue there. I'm going to add one leaf on this side, kind of up high, and one leaf is going to go on the other side, down low. But you can put yours wherever you are, side by side or on the same side. I have some other colors, so I'm going to add some details to my leaves. And now I have a handprint flower ready for spring.
Thank you so much for joining us today. We had such a great time. We learned a lot too. We hope you have a great day and we'll see you soon at the zoo.